Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain about clip editing tools. Let's begin! Let's start! First, I will explain how to use the selection tool. The selection tool can select clips on the timeline, trim selected clips, move clips, and even select multiple clips. The Select Track Forward tool will select all clips to the right of the selected track. If you press and hold the Track Front Selection tool, the Track Back Selection tool will be displayed, so this tool will select all clips on the left side of the selected track. Trimming with the Ripple tool allows you to trim without any space in the trimmed part. The Rolling tool allows you to change the boundaries of clips without changing the total time between adjacent clips. With the Rate Adjustment tool, you can change only the playback speed without cutting the clip. The shorter the clip, the faster the playback speed. And the longer the clip, the slower the playback speed. You can cut the clip wherever you want using the laser tool. Also, if you press the Shift key on the keyboard while the laser tool is selected, the laser tool will change to a multi-cut tool, so you can cut the clips of all the tracks at the same position by clicking. The Slip tool lets you change the start and end edit points of a clip without changing the length of the selected clip. With the Slide tool, you can slide and move the desired clip without changing the length of the entire sequence. Press and hold the Pen tool to display the Pen tool, Rectangle tool, and Ellipse tool. You can use the Pen tool to create a path and mask the image. The Rectangle tool allows you to insert a rectangular shape into your video or mask the image with a rectangular shape. The Ellipse tool allows you to insert an elliptical shape into your video or mask an image with an elliptical shape. You can move the display position by clicking the Palm tool and dragging it on the timeline. Press and hold the Palm tool to display the Zoom tool, so click on the timeline to enlarge the timeline. If you press the Alt key on the keyboard, the icon will change to a minus mark so you can click on it to reduce it. Also, if you drag to select a part, you can enlarge only the selected part. Select Horizontal Type tool. You can enter characters horizontally on the program monitor. When you enter text, it will be displayed as a clip on the timeline like this. Press and hold Type tool to display Vertical tool. You can enter characters vertically on the program monitor. When you enter characters, they are displayed as clips on the timeline like this. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.